Sorry, can I cut here?
Yeah.
Okay, so up, da, da, da. Go. So 5, 6, 7, 8.
Trash it, change it, melt, upgrade it, charge it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, get it, paste it, save it, load it, rewrite it, type it, hurt it, burn it, back it, drop it, zip and zip it, lock it, fill it, code it, find it, back it, fill it, code it, lock it, suck it, fill it, code it, find it, back it, fill it, code it, lock it, fill it, find it, code it, find it, back it, fill it, code it, lock it, suck it, find it, code it, find it, lock it, suck it, fill it, code it.
Hello everyone, this is Yui from Tngacademy, and here, this is my assistant, Angela. Yay. Angela! So I'm gonna teach you guys, not that hard, but it might be challenging for some of you. So this song, I'm sure everybody knows, just the beginning. So it's called Baby Shark. You guys know that, right? So let's start from the top. I want everybody to go on your toe, and your knee gonna go close, 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 close. And your hand, imagine this is a baby shark, okay? It's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's combine. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you can do this already, try to adding some move, like wave, okay? So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and after this, gonna go pose, 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 pose. 4 poses, up to you, okay? So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna go back 1 and 2 and da da da. Okay, and continue. From here, you're gonna go onto your toe, your knee gonna face out. With your hand in fist, shoulder hit and hit. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so with upper body, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoulder up, still in fist. 5, 6, 7, 8. When you go down, make sure your hip is not up there. Go down. Okay, let's try one more time from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, we're gonna do butterfly. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and continue. Roger Rabbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna go into Harlem Shake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder, shoulder, back, back, forward, and roll. Okay, a little bit faster from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Butterfly, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Roger Rabbit. Wave, 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 wave. Harlem Shake. Harlem Shake. Shoulder, 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 roll and go. And continue, okay? So up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And from here, hands to your head. 1, shoulder, turn, and go. And walk, walk, turn around. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And so it's gonna look down, but for now you can look at me. So 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and round to the back. Da 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 da. And here is the part that you're gonna challenge yourself. Muscle. Okay, gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Wop, 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 wop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wop, 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 wop. And Smurf. 4, Smurf. 3, 4. Walk it out. Da da da. Punch, punch, punch. Wave. And that's it. You got it? Let's try.
Crash it, change it, melt, upgrade it, charge it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, get it, paste it, save it, load it, write it, type it, say it, load it, like it, drop it, zip and zip it, lock it, feel it, code it, find it, lock it, feel it, code it, lock it, suck it, feel it, code it, find it, lock it, feel it, code it, lock it, scroll it, find it, code it, find it, lock it, feel it, code it, lock it, suck it, find it, code it, find it, lock it, suck it, feel it, code it, find it.
So here is one move that I want to break it down because it's more complicated if you just would, watch the video. So this is called walk it out. You're gonna go on your toe, okay? And make sure don't go like too wide or too close, shoulder width. And you're gonna face to the diagonal together, okay? Don't walk like this. They go together. It's gonna go da, 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 da. Okay, make sure it's on your toe. And I don't want to see you bounce, okay? Not like da, 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 da. Okay, that's too bouncy. We're gonna go very steady. If you can, put a book on your head and see if you have that balance. Okay, this is isolating your lower body and upper body. So, your hand, different from Helen shake that we just go loose. But here, I want you guys to go together. It's more like a pushing motion. Okay, so push, 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 push. And when you go out to the right, you're gonna go 1, 2. It's actually N count, sorry. So 1 and 2 and. And then I cross my hand, 3 and 4 and. So my lower body continues. Da, 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 da. Okay, so when you freestyle, you can put this move. You can do however you like. Your hand can go da, 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 da. Yeah, this diagonal, like that way, down there, down, down, up, 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 up. Okay, it's all up to you. So let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Got it? Practice.